One, this is my millet plant that I'm growing in my terrace garden. So just wanted to show you how I grow it and what is the height of the plant. The interesting part is the height of the plant, which is too tall, like about 12 feet. So I'll show you from the top. I'm been growing this on my grow bag. So I'm just against light, so it's very black in color. This is one type of millet. If you look at the leaf, it's very long. If you look at these are the extra roots that it grows from the branch. It's been growing. I'll show you the other plants as well. These are my other millet, the same variety. So growing in a different pot. This is my third pot. Actually having it in a grow bag. So you can look at the height of the plant. It's too tall. So as it is too tall, I have a benefit from squirrels as well as rats. So take a closer look at it. I just wanted to show you to right away, like before the squirrels eats these grains or the millet. Thank you.